I didn't realize that they made a Stage 1 Buick in 1969. I didn't realize that they made a Stage 1 Buick in 1969. This is a really rare 400 4-barrel Stage 1 car that has been in a slight accident. But the cool thing about this car, other than it being a Stage 1 69, is the owner is going right from here directly to the restoration shop where it will be unveiled next year here at MCACN. Overall, I mean, other than the damage to the front, that's about it. And it's a 4-speed with a tack. Got air conditioning, which is really rare, and power drum brakes. Should be, I would think, a pretty easy restoration.
I had no idea that there was 1969 Stage 1 cars, but you can see other Buick Stage 1s in my first and second book, and you can check out more on all my social media in the description below.